We're a family of four, me, my husband and two children, small children, and so my little boy is a disabled child, and so we were given direct payments about a year ago. We applied when he was a baby, but we were refused direct payments, and so then about a year ago we got the good news that it had gone to panel and that they had given us a few hours a week. So these are really precious to us, these hours, because that's our respite. And so we have a wonderful PA carer that comes in. She's fantastic with him, and so they have fun together. He really enjoys going with the carer. So they go to soft play, swimming, farms, all over really. He gets to choose where he goes with the carer, so it's a big treat.